Welcome to GitHub trending repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 6, Ansible, 29 new stars today. Ansible replaces brittle shell scripts and manual configuration with agentless, SSH-driven automation that scales from a single server to thousands. It solves the real-world headache of maintaining consistent, audible infrastructure across heterogeneous environments, from on-prem to cloud, without installing any software on target machines. Its idempotent YAML playbooks and massive module ecosystem let you define entire application stacks as code, making it a direct, zero-cost alternative to enterprise automation platforms. Number 5, PowerToys, 70 new stars today. PowerToys is a battle-tested utility belt for Windows Power users that fills the OS productivity gaps. Microsoft never shipped, giving you instant window management, keyboard remapping, batch file operations, and a quick launcher without installing a dozen separate tools. It solves the daily friction developers hit, like resizing images one by one, hunting for which process locks a file, or switching between dark and light mode across multiple apps, by packaging these fixes into a single, keyboard-driven, open-source suite. You should care because this is Microsoft's own C++ codebase running with system-level privileges, meaning you get deep OS integration and a reference implementation for Windows APIs like global hotkeys, File Explorer extensions, and low-input hooks that you can study, fork, or contribute to directly. Number 4, aspnetcore, 7 new stars today. Aspnetcore is the high-performance, cross-platform web framework that lets you build and deploy .NET apps on Linux, macOS, and Windows, eliminating the costly Windows Server licensing previously required for .NET web workloads. Its modular architecture centers on the lightweight Kestrel web server and a composable middleware pipeline, giving you precise control over the request path and making it a strong alternative to Node.js or Java Spring for cloud-native APIs and microservices. This repository contains the complete source for the framework, including SignalR, Blazor, and MVC, allowing you to debug into the internals, contribute, or fork the stack for your own production needs. Number 3, last 30 days skill, 378 new stars today. This agent skill bridges the walled gardens of Reddit, X, YouTube, HN, and Polymarket, letting your AI coding assistant pull real-time, community-vetted insights that no single search engine or LLM can access on its own. It solves the problem of stale, editor-curated search results by scoring millions of social signals, upvotes, likes, bets, and synthesizing a grounded summary, so you walk into meetings, sales calls, or build decisions with the actual last 30 days truth. Technically, it's a portable skill spec that orchestrates parallel API calls, handles auth for multiple platforms, and runs an AI judge to deduplicate and rank findings, all installable with one command in Claude Code, Cursor, or any agent skills host. Number 2, Bailey's, 19 new stars today. Bailey's gives you direct socket-level control over the WhatsApp web protocol, so you can build bots, automations, and custom messaging clients without relying on Meta's official business API or paying per-message fees. It reverse engineers the WhatsApp web connection to expose a full-featured, event-driven interface that handles multi-device sessions, message sending, and media uploads just like the browser client does. The library is written in TypeScript with a modular architecture that decouples socket management from state storage, making it straightforward to inspect, extend, or embed into larger Node.js applications where you need complete programmatic access to WhatsApp conversations. Number 1, AI for Beginners, 155 new stars today. This curriculum gives you a structured 12-week path from zero AI knowledge to building and evaluating neural networks, so you can skip the fragmented tutorial hunt and start applying machine learning to real problems. It solves the common onboarding paralysis by pairing concise theory with executable Jupyter notebooks that cover TensorFlow, PyTorch, computer vision, NLP, and the ethical implications you will actually face when shipping models. Unlike typical video-first courses, every lesson is a self-contained lab you can fork and run immediately in Binder, making it a practical reference you will return to long after the initial 24 lessons.